Hello, it's YarnRealm, and we're going to be making little carnation flowers. What we will need is a 4-weight yarn. I have a yellow one, 5mm hook, scissors, and a needle, which I lost somewhere. Where is it? We're going to do the small flower. There's the yarn tail and there's the working yarn. Put the working yarn on top of the yarn tail. Using my fingers, I'm going to go through the top of that circle and bring up a loop. Put the crochet hook into that loop that we brought up. And yarn over and pull through. That's the magic circle. Now we're going to chain 1, and it's not counted as a stitch. Make 7 single crochets into the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Close the circle by pulling the yarn tail tightly, and we're going to be working in the round. And in the back loops only, make 7 single crochet increases. Here, I'll show you which one's the back loop. So this is the next stitch that we're going to make an increase in. We're not going to go through both loops. This is the front loop. And the one behind it is the back loop. And that's where we're going to be working into. So work into the back loop. One and 2. That's 2 single crochets into each of the 6 stitches. So again, there's the front loop and the back loop. Make 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. By the end of this round, we end up with 14 single crochets. Now the third row, we chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Once we turn, we're going to make 3 double crochets into each stitch in the back loops only. To do double crochet, yarn over, enter through the back loop, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. I'll show you one more time. Yarn over, insert through the back loops only, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's your second double crochet. Remember to do 3 double crochet into each stitch. Yarn barb, no! By the end of this row, we should end up with 42 stitches. And now we will continue to make 3 double crochets into each of these 7 front loops from the previous row. So that's 21 more stitches altogether. 1. Oops, I accidentally got that. That's okay. 2 and 3. The last one. 1, 2, and 3. And this will technically be considered all row 3. At the end of this round, we have 63 stitches. And that's the little flower that we made. We just chain 1 to secure it and weave in the ends for the little flower. But to do the bigger flower, we're going to make a second round. Chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. We're going to do 2 double crochets into each stitch. So 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and in the next stitch 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and repeat this all the way to the end. Make the very last one a single crochet and chain 1 to secure. Cut and weave in the ends. And there's your large carnation flower. So we have these ones and the little one. I tried turning these into a headband by continuously working underneath the flower, but it didn't really look as nice. If you have any ideas to make it look nicer, comment it down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to YarnRealm. Have fun crocheting!